Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I'm making a triple panel interlocking card. My theme is winter, my favorite season. I started with a basic white card base measuring 5 1/4 by 11 inches and scored both ends at 1 3/4 inches and 3 1/2 inches. Then I folded in the score lines with a valley fold and a mountain fold on each end and burnished them. The folded ends will not meet in the middle, and that's okay. Then I ran a piece of polished pink cardstock cut to 3 3/4 inches by 5 inches through my cut and emboss machine with one of the snowflake dies from the Frost Flurry die set. The one I used cuts out only partial images, so you can pop up the cutout pieces for a unique dimensional look. I adhered this to a piece of melon mambo cut to 3 7/8 by 5 1/8, and then I glued the matted piece to the inside of my card. I layered 3 strips of pattern paper from the Celebrate Everything pack measuring 1 5/8 by 3 7/8 to 3 strips of basic white card 1 3/4 inches by 4 inches. I placed the strips horizontally on the card front, first with no adhesive. My strips butt up to each other with no space. I applied adhesive to the left side only for the bottom strip, to the right side only for the middle strip, and to the left side only for the top strip. I adhered my folded card to a melon mambo base measuring 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2 inches. To decorate the front, I die cut 2 more of the partial snowflakes from a piece of vellum 3 inches by 4 1/8 inches. I strategically placed a glue dot behind the center of each snowflake to adhere it to a piece of melon mambo 3 1/8 by 4 1/4 inches. Then I put dimensionals across the back, being sure to place them only at the top and the bottom of this piece. Now the piece spans the middle triple panel to allow ease of movement. Rolled up glue dots on the back of shimmer white snowflakes are scattered on the edges. Iridescent rhinestones finish off the centers of each snowflake. My sentiment was stamped in Versamark ink and heat embossed with white embossing powder. Dimensionals placed on only the left side allow the sentiment strip to hang off the edge. Then I hid more glue dots behind the centers of the snowflakes and behind the sentiment strip to securely hold the vellum piece. And there you have it, a triple panel interlocking card with plenty of room to write on either the inside and or the back of the card. Find written instructions with measurements over on my blog at... Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.